Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and today I want to highlight Tortoise Acquisition Corp, or also going to be known as Hyliion. Hyliion is going to be what would be described as a Tesla rival, or something a little bit more applicable is going to be NKLA, or NKLA, the stock that everyone was talking about. And if we go over to NKLA, you can see why they've been so popular. This is a company who did a reverse IPO, or rather, they essentially came into the market. I guess this was a while ago at this point in time, right at 2 weeks, I guess. Yes. So they came onto the market. As you can see, they exploded in popularity, all based on hype, because they are going to essentially be a new company that could rival Tesla and see some of their success. They have a electric truck. So a lot of excitement. I mean, even now the stock price is hanging around $70 a share after a nice bump at the end of the day. But they've been trading around $45, or rather they have a $45 price target, but they've maintained a much higher valuation than that, exploding past the original IPO price. I also know friends who definitely pulled out at the right time in the $83 to $84 range, and others who are still holding at this point in time. Now, NKLA is going to be one that is super exciting for the immediate future, and they don't really expect to get anything really out on the road and be making profit, or not even making profit, but incurring revenue for at least another year. So with all of those great things to say about this company, why would we want to follow up on a lookalike like this? Well, let's go back to looking at Tortoise Acquisition Corp. So this is a company that they are doing a very similar merger into publicly traded company with Hyliion. So let's go and take a look at Hyliion. So Hyliion is again a electric motor train company, or rather powertrain company. So what they're doing is they're taking these big, large Mack truck style trucks, these semis, and they are turning them into electric. So they've got these powertrains and they're essentially turning them into hybrids. And just look at these things. They are massive. And I know that there's a lot of money here. However, I don't know if they are actually profitable at this point in time. Now, I think that this company has potential. It's going to be something similar to what we saw with NKLA, where it's a lot of hype. It's not necessarily what I would describe as hey, this is going to have a ton of profit right now, but they may be able to take care of it. One thing that I am somewhat concerned about is how are they going to rival the autonomous driving that we currently see from Tesla. But that is not my decision to make. The question is this a good investment? So Tortoise Acquisition did come around in 2019, and the sole reason this company is around is to take a company like a Hyliion and take them public. So they are serving their purpose. However, we've seen a huge increase in price. We've gone from $10 a share all the way up to $20 a share over the course of really a few weeks, less than a week. And this obviously causes concern because this is not something that is going to be finalized until later this year, most likely the end of Q3. So this is going to be a long-term hold for these type of buyers. I would not be surprised if it goes higher. However, this is a company that really isn't even around yet. Again, they are not profitable, so this is all hype. They're calling it the next NKLA. However, I am just not a fan. I will not be making this play. As you can see, there's no options here, so I like to consider myself an options trader. However, this is purely going to be trading on a maybe. However, you may be able to pull off a NKLA and ride that out. However, call me old-fashioned, but I like investing in profitable companies. So there's that capability. You can give it a shot. Let me know in the comments below what you're thinking about this company. Again, I don't see the forecasted revenue projections. I don't see the merger happening until another 3 to 4 months from now. So right now it's going to be buy and hold and potentially lose money. So if you believe different, let me know. But if you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later.